Hey everybody, I'm on another one. We have an air cleaner hack. I'm gonna put it up here. These are a universal filter type air cleaner. Tore it apart. The filter has never been used, but you can't get them anymore. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to use K&N, Impy. Here's a couple pieces. Oh yeah, we're gonna drill a hole through the roof, put a piece of pipe through there. Got some 2-inch, super thin, I guess you'd call that muffler pipe. I got some square stock. Gotta put the square going across here. A couple vertical pieces to hold it. Drill a hole here, put the pipe in. Pipe's gotta come in, and maybe a bend, and drop down in an engine compartment. Weld it around here. I think that would be pretty neat. I remember these little ones being sold at the dune buggy store, and they'd mount them on their ball bugs and manxes and stuff. Anyways, we're gonna mount it with a newer style element to the bus. A little crazy, I know, but I think it's gonna work. Engine bay is just gonna drop in. Let me push that so it doesn't bonk me in the head. It's gonna come in right above the battery here. I already turned this around, took my air cleaner off. Rubber from here to there. So let's get on it. Let's have fun. Day 2, folks. Let's get it out. See what we got. Gotta be careful of the roof. And boink, there we go. Camera. Yesterday was really boring. Just hose saw, 2 hose saw holes, cut the pipe, get it to fit. I cut up the fuel injection beetle, took all the elbows out so I can get to work. So yesterday was nothing big. All right, we got this tube. We got to put that in today. Oh yeah, we got an exhaust pipe right here. We're gonna put a little cap, plop, 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 right here. So this, got to cut this a couple times, bend it over, cut some little pies out of it, bend it over, get this to straighten out. Air box going. I got this little piece mocked up from the old fuel injection unit. Got some brackets to do, this to do. I'll show you the inside pipe. I gotta weld all these up. So I'm gonna start out with that. Fix the top, grind around the roof so I could tack it around the roof. Spot weld in between each one and keep going around till it's all the way around so I don't warp the roof. Down here, here's the pipe coming out. That goes over there. For right now, I found a used one of these things. This one's the triple one, paper, foil, and outside paper. So, all right, let's see what we got here. Here's the pipe. Will it fit? Will it fit? Okay, we're gonna need some clamps. So, let's see if that fits. That will fit. Get some clamps down here. That fits up here, and we're all set. I don't know, tractor supply or something. I need a 2-inch air cleaner sleeve. Weld in all these cuts, tack it up in here, tack it across here. So cut this exactly straight across, bend those down, and give you a little idea. Air cleaner's hollowed. You can see inside, probably not. It's hollowed out, but I am going to mount this, something like this, but in here a little bit. So it's gonna be sitting, I'm guessing about that low, and in about 2 inches. Exactly. How goofy is that look? Gotta love it. All right, let's get on it. Enough yapping. If I get anything interesting, I'll grab the camera. I'll get the tube fixed, and I'll get the lower elbow welded to the little coupler pipe. I got the little pipe sticking out of the roof. It's just temporary. It's all in, welded, tarred. That's just from the roofing melting. And we got the pipe in, ready to go. I had to use the black hose for up here. I didn't like all that elbows and stuff. So this is gonna go up here, and then I'll cut it to fit this thing. So today we're gonna get these mounted up here, 2 of those, and cut this down and attach that. Some remnants of the 2-inch. What I'm gonna need to do, see how nice that fits? This gets slid into here, slid inside like this, pokes out this hole, gets clamped down, that sits inside of there, see? But of course, the other way around. So I'll need to cut this down so it fits in here. That's pretty cool. So that's my plans this afternoon. I need to get these brackets mounted up here so this sits something like that. I like it to be close, but it's gonna be more like that. And I have to try to stay away from the tent mount, tent bars, tent brackets. Anywho, wish me luck. All right, folks, here we go. Here's the new air cleaner. Tri-phase air cleaner. This is probably from the 60s, this old guy here. Anyways, the pipe comes in here, has the K&N air cleaner inside, easy access. Undo this rubber, pull it out, slide out the pipe and the K&N. You can easily wash it, stick it back in. Has that little blue filter over it still. This goes into the pipe that runs down here. This still needs to be painted. Runs down, goes into this tube, which this needs to be replaced with minimum the black tube that we used up top. There's an elbow back here. Runs out, put this little thing in case something happens. Prevents it from rounding out, super tight. So that's gonna vibrate and eventually this will wear out. So this is only temporary. I don't like that aluminum stuff. This one has aluminum, an inner, and the black outer. This stuff's way tougher. So I can get away with this until I find a 2-inch pipe. Welded, patinaed, welded another bracket. This clears the tent. Thinking of maybe where I could put like a light here. So when I'm cooking on this side, I'll have some light. Maybe not. There's already enough Kirby vacuum cleaner looking things on my bus already. All right. Yeah, I cut a hole in my bus. So I'm gonna patch that up right now. Took a few days to do in the afternoons, but I got it done. All right, folks, there it is. It grabs both this and the pipe, super sturdy. You got the inside pipe. Well, folks, I hope you like that one. And other than cutting the hole in the roof, it was pretty cool. I'm not really happy about that, but something I have to do. Just too much dust. So raise this up, keep the water out of the carburetor on those river crossings, and we'll see how it goes. Hey, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.